Hello everybody. This is Plum for Plum Television. This is a unboxing video. The package came in the mail today. I got it at Walmart. I paid $439 for this PC. It's my backup PC to my Beelink one. And what I also got with it is a HDMI cable, which is the 15 feet. And this is the cable I got with it, and that came on Friday, as you can see. It is the GE. I bought this at Walmart for $22, and if you're looking for an HDMI, I would get this over the Walmart brand, because the on brand sucks in terms of the HDMI. But anyway, guys, this is my backup PC right here. This is my very first from this company, and very first that has an Intel, supposedly an Intel i9 processor. This is the GMKtec. I know I was supposed to leave it in the box, but I wanted to see what it looks like and everything. So, sorry about that. Maybe I'll edit it out, maybe, or I'll keep it unedited when this gets uploaded to YouTube. But yeah, nice packaging. Kind of like an Apple way of the box. Yep. Okay, so there it is, guys. There's the GMKtec PC, my backup one. And as you can see, it does have an Intel Core i9. This is my first ever Intel product. My other Intel, which was the Mac Mini from 2014, which, well, let's just say, yeah. And I have a Mac Mini M2. So the reason why I got this instead of the Nintendo Switch 2 that's coming out on June the 5th, well, it's because that I wanted a backup PC that I can do work on. Because as you guys know, I don't know what this is, by the way. I do a lot of productivity. I do a lot of businessy stuff. Because this has Windows 11, I think. Here's the HDMI cable. Really nice. I have a bunch of these laying around. Warranty card from the Chinese company. Which, you know, the tariffs thing is going to be an issue. I think this is a HDMI or a display port. I think it's a HDMI. The giant power brick with the plug. And the PC, really tiny. I love it. See, it's Windows 11 right there on a tiny little PC. So that, my friends, is the unboxing video of the GMkteC. And this has two USB ports on it, USB 3.2. And on the back, HDMI port, an Ethernet port, a Type-C. So this has no USB 2, so it's all USB 3. And USB Type-C for data. The one thing I gotta get for this machine is a SSD, so I can store all the presentations for Real One and have them backed up in a safe, secure way. And yeah, so there you go. So that is the unboxing video of this mini PC from GMKtec. Again, this is my first ever GMKtec product overall, and this is my third mini PC, because my old one died and my Beelink is still going like a champ. And this is my third mini PC, which will be my backup. And again, this is my first ever Intel Core i9 product as well. The first Intel Windows machine. So there you guys go on that. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and you'll be notified when I go live or when I record a new video. And follow me on Blue Sky. All that information will be in the description below. And all that good stuff. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to probably set this PC up and see what it is. And I will catch you guys later for another video here on YouTube, as well as another live stream. And like I said, hit the notification bell as well whenever I go live or record a new video. And yeah, so there you go on that. This is your boy Remix Plum, and saying goodbye. And thank you all very much for watching, and thank you to all my subscribers for the great 15 years of being on YouTube. So thank you guys. I love you guys, and take care. Have a great Sunday, everybody. And I'll see you guys in the next video here on YouTube. So thank you, and peace out.